For so many couples who feel disconnected, have lost their spark, or even find themselves in a sexless relationship, the origin story is the same. My partner started experiencing pain during sex and we didn't do anything about it. We tried to push through it. We did our best to keep our sex life going, but over time, avoidance, frustration, and distance set in. And let's be honest, a sex life built on pain is not sustainable. The good news, this is fixable, but only if you take the right steps. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 critical things you need to do if your partner is experiencing pain during sex, because ignoring it won't just make sex better, it will slowly erode your intimacy, your confidence, and your connection. So let's get into it. First strategy, pause intercourse until the issue is resolved. The biggest mistake couples make is pushing through the pain, which only reinforces fear and tension. Take penetration off the table temporarily and focus on other forms of intimacy while addressing the root cause. Whether you're working with a gynecologist or they're working with a pelvic floor therapist or sex therapist. If the issue is the tightness they're feeling, sometimes getting a dilator at home can be helpful. This is one tool that I recommend with all of my clients. I'll leave a link to it below this video. When we're using dilators at home on consistent basis, you can see tons of good results. It's just a matter of doing it on consistent basis because you're training your muscle. Second thing is use the right lube. Pain during sex can often be reduced or eliminated with the right lubrication. Sometimes your partner might not be able to produce lubrication on their own. It could be related to the stress level, medication they're taking, maybe they're not aroused enough, and there are tons of different lubes in the market and the quality is very different. I work with lots of people who struggle with pain during sex, and this is my favorite one. That's a Balm. It's a play balm. It's thicker, but it makes sex so much more comfortable. I leave a link to this product in the show notes. As a sex therapist, I get hundreds of lubes, but there is something about this product that's really make it more comfortable for my clients. Third thing you want to keep in mind is maybe introducing a vibrator or some type of a sex toy. Sometimes when we are aroused, we might experience less pain, or sometimes we're experiencing pain because we're not experiencing physiological arousal. Using a good vibrator can be very helpful, and it's important to find something that you and your partner both like. I hear from my clients all the time that my partner get this bulky thing. It feels like there's a helicopter landing and lifting, and we don't like it. My invitation for you is to find something sexy. This is one of my favorite one actually. It's by a company, Crave. It's a necklace that you can wear that can turn to a vibrator. So this now is vibrator, and you can put your partner's clitoris. It's strong and it's really good, and also it's something that's sexy. You don't need to kind of bring up something huge. Maybe that's something that you and your partner enjoy, but majority of people, they like something powerful and sexy. I leave also a link to this product in the show notes. If you're trying all of these strategies and it's not working, maybe then making sure you're investing in sex therapy is really helpful. But the most important thing is to communicate about it with your partner. Share with them that you care about their comfort and you're invested in helping them to enjoy sex, and mutual pleasure is important for you. Let us know in the comments if this is something that you and your partner struggle with, and share some of your tips with us. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.